Okay, today, hey, this is Tim. Today we got a 08 3.0 BMW X3. We'll be doing the crank sensor, which is down here in front of the starter. You can pull the intake off and pull the starter out and all that. You got plenty of room. Okay, well, I kind of ended up undoing the intake. It's just 7. You got what? 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Oh, 5 bolts and 2 nuts. They go across here. Just kind of pull out your way. You ain't got to undo everything. Just leave everything hooked up. I got a little bungee thing out of my way. And your crank sensor will be right down. Let's see if I can show you a shot here. Right down under here. And that's going to be an E10. See right there? Right there. Hope you can see it. That's going to be an E10. And we're going to take that out. Pull it out and then take your plug off. Plug it back up because you don't want to mess that plug up by. And make sure that you don't pull it too far. See how I got it about as far as it needs to go. Don't give it a little bit of slack. Like move it off that bolt there. Make sure you get plenty of slack. Don't pull the wires out or anything like that. And but I tried to sneak around it, going around the side and everything, but it just ain't enough room. That's just better just to do this. So just pull your intake loose like that, kind of just slide it up and hold your bungee cord. Then we're gonna get this crank sensor on. This is what the old one looks like. Yeah, been there in a while. Can't see what it says on it. Siemens. This is a new one. No name. I'm sure it's made in Mexico or Japan or something. Dorman 907754. Let's see. Anyway, so all right, I'm gonna put you up here and then we're gonna start putting it together. Like I said, it's an E10 right down in there, right under the starter. Not easy getting it started. I just put it on the socket, the E10. Put it down in there. It's not easy. Make sure you get it good and tight on there. Just be patient with it. Don't over tighten it. And if you do anything at all, do not lose the nut. I mean the bolt. Because it's aluminum, you can't find it with a magnet. Then I get my socket off with a magnet. Yep. E10. You can use a regular 10, 12 point. If you don't have an E10, but I do, so I use it. Alright, now you just kind of reverse the order. Slowly put everything back together. Make sure you ain't crimping no lines. Make sure you ain't trying to go over the intake. You gotta maneuver this booster, for your brake booster. You gotta maneuver this back over it. And also your fuel line in the back. I'll show you that in just a second. When we get the torque down, all your bolts in your intake, take this Torx bit off in the back here so you can pull it out of your way. It is a T25 right here in the back. Take that off the back of the intake, move your fuel line off the intake, and you just pull up. Just kind of get you a bungee or whatever you got. Just kind of pull it out of your way. Well, you have enough room to get in the back. You don't have to pull the starter off and the whole intake off. You ain't got to do all that. That's another one at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on. What we're gonna do, I might end up doing cam sensor too on this. If I do, I will film it. But that is how you do the crank sensor. So I'll make another video if I end up doing the cam sensors.